Calling all home buyers in the Roseville area. It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I have a beautifully updated home on a huge lot that you have to see. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for previewing my newest listing here in Roseville. If you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.